Hey guys, we are going to be doing something super fun, but I wanted to show you how to do it in case it gets a little confusing for you. Tomorrow and Thursday, you're going to be making monsters. So the assignment is going to be called Making Monsters Science Day, or Science 8 Day 1. And it's a slideshow to explain it to you. On day 1, you're going to be creating the genotype for the mother monster and the father monster. Remember, that's like the formula, like a capital B, little b, or little f, big F, something like that. And then day 2, you're going to be taking the parents' genotypes and you're going to cross them using Punnett squares to create a baby monster. So here we're doing just day 1 today, okay? And here's a reference sheet for you in case you need to remember what dominant is, and that's the trait that's always going to show. So if you have a capital letter, that trait is always going to be the one that shows. And then for recessive, you're going to have 2 of those lowercase letters in the genotype for the phenotype, the recessive trait to show. And just in case you're forgetting some of our vocabulary words, genotype is that combination of alleles. The phenotype is what you see. And if you're not sure what alleles are, those are those different variations of a trait, like blue horns or yellow horns, or tall or short. All right, for today, you're going to create the genotype, the formula, the big B, little b type formula for the mother monster for a whole bunch of traits, and for the father monster to determine their genotypes and their phenotypes. Now here's where I want to show you something. In the instructions it says roll the dice in the menu bar next to help. You will not have seen this on any of your slides before. Go up to this menu bar right next to help. There is this new add-on called dice. Click on that. You can decide if you want to roll 1 die or if you want to roll 2 and add them together. I'm just going to roll 1 to keep it simple. Okay, so I rolled a 4. Okay, now if you roll an odd number, you're going to have a dominant trait, so you're going to use a capital letter. And if you roll an even number, it's going to be a recessive trait, so you're going to use a lowercase letter. In this instance, I rolled a 4, and that is even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are all even numbers, so you're always going to use that lowercase letter. And then you're going to put that letter into the text box for the characteristic, okay? And you're going to do that like right in here. So where it says for the body shape, my first allele, I got a 4. So I'm going to type in a lowercase b because I'm going to go by that first letter of the word. Instructions are right here. It says roll the dice next to the help right here. If it's even, it's going to be recessive. If it's odd, it's going to be dominant. Use the first letter of the trait. For example, for this, we're going to use the B for body. So I'm putting a lowercase b right here. Now I have to roll again to get my second allele right here. So I'll roll the dice, and I got a 4 again. Okay, so I'm going to put a little b here because it's recessive. I'll do the next same thing for I's. This time I'm going to use the letter E because I starts with the letter E. So I'm going to go to dice, roll my dice, and I get a 4. Okay, I just want to make sure it wasn't always going to be 4. So here's a little e, and then over here we're going to roll the dice again, and I get a 5. So 5 is odd, so it's going to be an uppercase E this time. I just made that bigger so you could see it. And you'll do that the whole way through. So there will be one letter for each one of those. You'll do that for the mother, and then you'll go forward to the father, again rolling and filling that out. When you're finished with this whole entire sheet, you're going to, this is an example of what you're going to do, you're going to take the mother's traits, little b, and father's trait, let's say this is big B, and you're going to put them in the next sheet here, right here. You're going to enter the traits that you put on this sheet and this sheet. So just to match this example, this says big B, little b, little b, little b. Okay, so for this example, so we're matching what our example says. Big B, little b, and then dad was little b, little b. So I would have rolled like a 2 even numbers for this, okay? So when you put them into here, the example we're trying to show is you'll take the 2 alleles for the mom, the big B and the little b, and you'll add them to the mom column. See, big B, little b. And then for the dad, you'll take the 2 alleles for the body shape, little b, and you'll add them here. And you'll do that all the way down. And then tomorrow, we're going to take all of those different characteristics and all those different genotypes, and we're going to cross them to create our own baby monster. Now, if for some reason you don't feel like using dice, you are completely able to like flip a coin and say head is odd and tails is even, or whatever you want to do. But I thought that this dice was a cute little feature to put in here. Okay, have fun making your monster. Talk to you later. Bye.